Women Rock Summit is a full day of an amazing experience for our students where they're going to be empowered, they're going to learn about leadership, they're going to be motivated and inspired. And the reason we have it is because we want to make sure that our women students get all the support and resources that they deserve and that they need to be successful.
Just the significance of women coming in unity and realizing and appreciating their power, and other women showing us that we can be them one day.
To be here standing on the stage speaking to you all.
I have this acronym for HOPE. HOPE stands for healing, opportunity, perseverance, and empowerment. And so when you have hope, all four of those things, it gives you the right to say in your mind, I too can do it. Because you see that someone else did it before you.
Going to conferences and meeting different people, it makes me feel like it's real. Like the moments where I feel my lowest, I remember that I'm a part of things and people count on me and I count on others.
Today is an opportunity for our students to learn from each other, to learn from the amazing array of speakers that we have for their workshops, and to get inspired to reach their fullest potential and to support each other in that process.
It's a lot of fun. Like it's a conference that's completely different than your average like academia one, which are amazing, of course. But this is more of just like celebrating like who we are, who we can be together, and who we want to be.